How to fix Apple ID verification failed. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First, go ahead and check your internet connection, as if you are not using a proper working internet connection, then this issue is common. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data in order to improve your internet connection. Or you can simply enable airplane mode for 30 seconds and then disable it again to refresh your network connection. The next fix is you can try to restart your iPhone, as a simple reboot can fix temporary glitches on your iPhone. Once restarted, see if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and then tap on your name on top. Here, scroll down and tap on the sign out option, and once signed out, wait for a few minutes and then sign back in and see if that helps. If not, then sometimes the Apple server might be the issue, as sometimes Apple system is down temporarily. So you can simply wait for the server to work just fine. Next, launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on date and time, and make sure the toggle button for date and time is toggled on. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then in general again tap on software update and make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, as sometimes outdated software can cause verification problems. Also, make sure that you are not connected to any type of VPN services, and if you are connected to VPN, then simply disable the VPN services, as sometimes VPNs block Apple verification. Next, in settings again, tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone, and then on reset and then on reset network settings. Enter a passcode and reset network settings, and this will remove saved passwords and give your network settings a fresh restart, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Apple ID verification failed. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.